In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop cap in MS Word. A drop cap is a large decorative first letter at the beginning of a paragraph, and it's a simple yet effective way to make your documents look more polished and professional. Whether you're writing a newsletter, a report, or a story, this technique adds a touch of elegance and draws the reader's attention right where you want it. To start, open the Word document where you want to add the drop cap. Place your cursor anywhere in the paragraph where you want the first letter to be highlighted. The drop cap will always affect the first letter of the paragraph, so make sure your cursor is in the right spot. Next, go to the Insert tab, located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Within the Insert tab, look for the text group, which contains several options for text formatting and design. Click on Drop Cap, and a small menu will appear offering different styles. If you want the first letter to sit within the paragraph and extend downward across multiple lines, choose Dropped. This is the most common style and gives a classic, elegant look. If you prefer the first letter to appear in the margin, separated from the paragraph, choose In Margin instead. This style is often used for more creative or magazine-style layouts. For more detailed customization, click Drop Cap Options at the bottom of the menu. Here, you can select a different font for the drop cap, which allows you to match the style of your document or create contrast. You can also adjust how many lines the letter spans, which controls its vertical size relative to the rest of the paragraph. Additionally, you can set the distance between the drop cap and the surrounding text to make sure it looks balanced and visually appealing. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK to apply the drop cap. If you notice that the letter is too large or too small, you can always return to Drop Cap Options and fine-tune it. You can also enhance the drop cap further by applying bold or color, making it stand out even more, and adding a decorative touch to your document. Drop caps are a small but impactful way to improve the design and readability of your text, giving your work a professional and polished appearance without much effort. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.